Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will delve deeper into the QQQ ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 19, 2024. Today, we're excited to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest analysis. We don't want you to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Join us and leverage the power of AI to access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 6.85. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. QQQ has experienced a gain of 6.16%. This means that on average, the stock has delivered a return of 0.62% per day since it was identified as a strong buy candidate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 17.08% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 11.7% and 18.64%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 33.63% change over the next year, with a potential return between 17.09% and 40.48%. This equates to a price range of $493.17 to $591.69 after 12 months. In our latest update for the QQQ ETF, we have some exciting news to share. Last Friday, we saw a positive trend as the QQQ ETF price gained 1.98%, marking a green day for QQQ. On the last trading day, the QQQ ETF price rose from $412.99 to $421.18, experiencing a fluctuation of 1.62% between a day low of $414.63 and a day high of $421.34. It's worth noting that the price has been on the rise for 8 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 6.28% over the past 2 weeks. Furthermore, the increase in volume along with the price is a positive technical sign. A total of 11 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, resulting in a total of 70 million shares being bought and sold, valued at approximately $29.35 billion. Looking at the bigger picture, over the past 52 weeks, the QQQ ETF reached its highest price at $421.34 and its lowest price at $275.71. Currently, the price is slightly below the 52-week high, standing at 0.04% or $0.160 lower than the all-time high of $421.34. Today, we're going to discuss the signals for QQQ, an ETF that's been making waves in the stock market. Let's start with the buy signals. The QQQ ETF has received buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which is a positive indicator for the stock. Additionally, there's a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, the stock will find support at the price levels of $411.19 and $402.23. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will trigger sell signals. On Thursday, January 4, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 6.28%. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Another positive sign is the increasing volume along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. However, it's important to note that some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact the stock's near short-term development. Additionally, there's currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 11 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average revealed a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 51 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe. The short moving average revealed a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 53 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 40 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ, the popular ETF, has an interesting support level at $409.52. This level could potentially provide a buying opportunity, as we might see an upwards reaction when the support is tested. It's always exciting to find these potential entry points in the market. Now, when it comes to risk, QQQ tends to have very controlled movements. With good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. This means that investors can feel more confident in their positions. If we look at the recent price action, we can see that the ETF moved $6.71 between its high and low in just one day, representing a 1.62% change. This shows that QQQ has some volatility, but compared to other stocks, it's relatively stable. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been around 1.13%. Before we discuss the good trading levels for QQQ, let's first cover some important fundamental data to give you a better understanding. One important metric is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio could indicate a pessimistic outlook for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, making it a potential opportunity for buyers. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for QQQ. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we can see that there is no significant resistance above. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a scenario, it would be wise to enter a position and rely on volume indicators to determine the best time to exit. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $409.52. If this support level holds, it presents a promising entry point, as we can anticipate a rebound from this level. For this video, we'll be discussing an ETF that we recommend setting a stop loss at $402.13, which is a decrease of 4.52%. This particular ETF has relatively low daily movements, resulting in lower risk compared to other options. Additionally, there's a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 10 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a smart investment? The QQQ ETF shows several positive signals and is currently in a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on this, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Monday, January 22nd, we expect the QQQ to open with a decrease of $2.13 and begin trading at $419.05. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on the stock market. We value your opinion, so please leave a comment below to let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also interested to hear what your target is for the ETF. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We're here to support your trading journey and help you succeed. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a beautiful day.